What's up, guys? This is Stronger Aline, aka SJ, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you're not, welcome back. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment down below, please, and thank you. I'm so sorry, I'm speaking too fast. I don't know why. It's just happening. But anyways, so Umusi is April 8th. Ngo nibwo hariwe byanyu byo kureba nyine aba mama we ECLIPSE. None tugiye kubagendana hanze mberekeye ukuntu ibintu bimeze, kuko ni kumva urusaku rwinshi cyane, abantu babigize ubukwe. So tugende turebe ukuntu ibintu bimeze, turebe ko nimba ukuntu babigize ubukwe ariko biri. Thank you. And guys, do you see my edges? I did this in my imagination. I did this. Yes, I talk too much. Kera, I know I'm not the only one. Kera twara tugira umusatsi w'imbere tukawicana kwicungesha ngo nyine ngo iki n'ibiki bahano twaraje dusanga bya bikora ngo ni baby hair bikora mu edges. Rero nimba utaricungesheje kera kubera iyo mpamvu, just know I don't know. I'm just what am I saying? I don't know. I am sorry. But long story short, kera natwa tuza agaciro ka edges. Matter of fact, twara tugenda tukicungisha tukazivanaho kugira ngo tugaragare nkaho twogoshwe. But now n'abatazifite bajya bazishakisha. So ngiye ndazifite ziri naturere, mfite baby hair nyinshi cyane kwa mfite ibirende. So I don't even know what I'm saying. Let's just go. Let's go, okay? Guys, look at this. Muri abantu bose ngo bari kureba ECLIPSE. Aba bose niyo bari kureba. Literally nta n'izuba rihari. I wonder if they can really actually see something. Like what? Babigize ubukwe. Guys, aba bantu bose bari gushyiraho ibikabyo, ibintu babigize ubukwe ngo bari kureba ECLIPSE. I wonder if they can really see anything. Yabwira nshaka abantu baza muri bariya. Actually no, nta muntu ugende kubaza n'umwe. Nta n'umwe ugende kubaza. Ngiye kugenda hariya negere bene wacu mbabaze if they can really see anything. Okay, come on. Guys, mfite isoni rero njye nkinye abantu nakora public interview. I can never do public interview. Ako nkinye abantu pe. Ngiye gufilipinga kamera none mubarebe. This is Judith, as I can see. She's holding my bag. I don't know if she's seen anything, but... Hi, Judith. How are you? Did you see anything?
I did.
You did?
I did. I used my phone.
Your phone?
You can take camera.
Because of me.
Yeah, because of me instead of...
So is it real? Like there's something happening up there?
It
Is it beautiful or ugly?
very beautiful.
Basil, no necessarily. Can you kureba? Ni byose nawe uri kutubeshya.
I'll show you guys. I have to check.
Oh, okay.
Guys, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah,
But these glasses are not working.
you can see the thing moving. I don't know why, but it just does not feel like it. But
No, se ko narebye muzuba ko amaso ngiye kiri gukora.
let me show you guys.
So kana ko k'icyatsi.
Yeah.
So that's why ni byo none abantu bahururiye bose bari hano. Well, yeah. Guys, ubwo ni ibi bihari.
Bari gutabaza ko akabonye ukagira ngo babonye
Abantu bagira ibikabyo. Ni ibikabyo bya bene wa
Abi wandari.
tugende muri leta tugende.
Ubwo Yesu naza bazatabaza buryo nkuko bari gutabaza. Cyangwa baziruka.
Ibyo gupfa amaso is not true. Narebye mu zuba, my eyes are still working.
No.
No, my eyes are still working.
Okay, I know, but bisa nkaho byarangiye.
Unless they're going to stop working tonight, but now they are working.
Let me. And urebye aha ngaha niho
niyo njye wayifotoye.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's actually beautiful.
Even giving you a mass.
So guys, I think oh, Judy, I see it.
Yeah, you can see it.
Karakano k'icyatsi.
That's the quiz.
None ikindi kirigo eclipsinga nabyo ni ikihe?
Where did you go?
Find it again, find it. Try to find it.
Elise?
I lost it.
No, find it. You have to find it. Find it. One day when I go helpful. Yes, find it until you find it. Yes.
I did tell your friend not to scream.
Damn.
Guys, you know, the reason why I'm recording this is because the first time we couldn't see it. What? If you don't want to hear your voice on YouTube, then stop talking. I'm not joking. Yeah, Judy, come record me too. Come. Oh my God. Judy. Guys, I ain't gonna lie, it's true. It's actually beautiful. Ukwezi nyine kumeze ukwezi nyine. No, nyine
Ninkaka kandi kagace.
Thank you. Ariko nyine gafite ikara y'umuriro.
Kameze nk'umutima.
Is it yellowish or
It's
orangish?
orangish.
It's orangish, yes. Kandi ariko it's not moving though. It's standing. Ikarahagaze. Irahagaze, but itwa turi kura muri telefone dukoresha telefone, it was moving and it was green. So this is actually real.
Now it's black.
No, it's not. No, it's actually working.
You can see it.
Go YouTubers.
Welcome back to my Snapchat. That's crazy.
You see it?
That's crazy.
I hope you're not lying.
No, I'm not.
Thank you.
Actually, my professor arambwira ati ngo izuba uko nibigenda ni actually ukwezi ko bigenda ko kumupinga aho niyo bita solar eclipse. Nicyo gihe moon yaje hagati y'isi ndetse n'izuba. I wish everybody showing abantu bari harangura.
Yeah, see them?
Yeah, that's the crazy thing.
Yes,
I wish
zoom them.
every time. I wish every time.
No. What's funny is n'abanyeshuri bose baje.
Yeah, but mine
Abanyeshuri, abateacher, nkatwe tuba dufite ama exam ashobora guhita bayakansaringa.
But for what though? Why?
Nadani.
To watch this?
Guess what? Nukungeza no kuri market ngiye kurya nsanga wahize igipapuro kibate ngo we not opening until ngo solar eclipse goes away. I was like, come on. Ite nuko ari zo you're not gonna eat. I'm ite nuko ari
You're not eating.
Alright guys, we are done.
Guys, if you remember.
Thank you so much for liking us. Hello Aline.
Oh, muraho.
YouTube kiri noneho nyuma yuko umaze kubona icyo bita solar eclipse.
Guys, let me tell you. Mu Rwanda I think twarabirebye. Babyita kubwira kabiri byabaga nijoro. Izuba rigasanga ukwezi.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember.
Byazaga nijoro bro. That's
No, nijoro. Abantu babishegera.
No, guess what? Nuko na market wayifunze ngo ntago turi buri.
Ntago sembonye karaka zuba kumutuku kameze gutya. Yes. Niko abantu bafungira ibintu abantu nibarye. Guys, so
na exam hose canceling.
Twakiraga kureba n'ama video twakoreshaga amaso. What's up with them saying
ngo narebesha n'amaso arapfa.
Byabaga ari nijoro.
Ako shabiri kuryana kureba muri hejuru biri kuryana nge sindi kureba.
You see it? Guys, that's exactly what we're seeing through the glasses. Exactly that. Yeah, guys, nzuri. Ni biriya turi kureba, ni biriya byahuruje se ni n'abayituye. Naje bari none ntaho nari mbarimo nuko nari kugira ngo no, I just wanted to vlog for my people so they can see it. Guys, ubwambere twabibuze twazihinga abantu bari gukabya twazina n'ikintu gihari bayobozi biko ntabwo twamenya gukoresha ntabwo twamenya gukoresha ama glasses aho twamenye ko yakoresha simon kugika ndi kumwe na gadi kwanye kari gatoya, but now it's getting big. Ariko if like 20% ngira ngo gusinyine ikizero cyose cyuzuye it's getting bigger and it's real. It's not fake. But I don't know if my eyes are gonna die later. Cause not even Muzua for a second. No, they are still working though, but hopefully they're not gonna die. Why is that? Oh, it's you. I was like, why is she looking at me? But yeah, this is actually like not fake. It's not fake. And but I ntabwo niyumvisha ibintu byatumye bakensuringa ama classes bafunga ama cafeterias na close ba aho tuyatugura ibyo hafunzwe ubuzi bw'abantu bamwe barabukensuringa ngo kubera bino bintu. It's not even that big of a deal. I think it's not about being a big of a deal.
I think it depends on how umuntu ari.
Because mbona yabiza ngo rimwe mu myaka ingahe. The last time this happened was like 3-4 years ago.
Kiri muri high school gutyo.
Yeah, so ikumva rero babikensorinze kugira ngo abantu bagire opportunity yo kubireba sense igihe bamubwiye gitoya.
It's like 6 years ago.
6 years ago. It's not, they're not fighting. I don't know if you guys remember mu nkambi kwa tubirebera mu base. Twabirebera mu base twashyiramo amazi. That was the most beautiful thing to witness. Kuko nibwo gagiye n'ibintu biri kurwana ashi nyine bari kuhura nkuko bari kubivuga. But this time it's not even moving at all. It's just, it's expanding. It could get nini, but it's not fighting or moving at all. If that makes sense. But yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. And yeah, that's it. Even nahuruye narere kubafotorera njye nanjye nkururira ibintu pe. I came here just for you guys.
Kwaje saa sita none dutashye saa 9.
Bye. Thank you.